Withdrawing money from your eBay account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Access the eBay website or app and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are on the correct account where your funds are available. Step 2. Navigate to your payments. Once logged in, go to the My eBay section. From there, find the Payments tab or option. This will take you to your financial summary where you can see your available balance. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Look for the option that allows you to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. You will be prompted to select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add your bank details. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. After selecting your bank account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the details to ensure everything is correct, then confirm the withdrawal. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Once you've completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement for the transfer, which may take a few business days to process.